Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study about faucial diphtheria. Etiology. It is an acute infection caused by gram-positive Bacillus Corynebacterium diphtheria. It spreads by droplet infection and incubation period is 2 to 6 days, and some persons are carrier, that is they don't have a disease but they can spread the disease. Clinical features. Children are affected more often, though no age group is immune to the disease. Oropharynx is commonly involved. In oropharynx, a grayish white membrane forms over the tonsil and spreads to the soft palate and posterior pharyngeal wall. This membrane is quite tenacious and causes bleeding on removal. Cervical lymph nodes, particularly the jugulotigastric nodes, they become enlarged and tender. Sometimes they present as a bull neck appearance due to enlarged lymph nodes, and patient is ill and toxemic, but fever seldom rises above 38 degrees Celsius. Complications. Exotoxin produced by Corynebacterium diphtheria is toxic to heart and nerves. It causes myocarditis, cardiac arrhythmia, and acute circulatory failure. Neurological complications appear a few weeks after the infection, and they include paralysis of soft palate, diaphragm, and ocular muscles. In larynx, diphtheritic membrane may cause airway obstruction. Treatment. Treatment of diphtheria is started on clinical suspicion without waiting for the culture reports. Aim of the treatment is to neutralize the free exotoxin circulating in the blood and to kill the organism producing the exotoxin. Dose of antitoxin is based on site involved and duration and severity of disease. It is 20,000 to 40,000 units for diphtheria in less than 48 hours or when the membrane is confined to the tonsils only. And the dose is 80,000 to 1,20,000 units if disease has lasted longer than 48 hours or the membrane is more extensive. Antitoxin is given by IV infusion in saline in about 60 minutes. Sensitivity to horse serum should be tested by conjunctival or intracutaneous test with diluted antitoxin, and adrenaline should be at hand for any immediate hypersensitivity. In the presence of hypersensitivity reaction, desensitization should be done. Antibiotics used are benzyl penicillin, that is given in dose of 600 mg 6 hourly for 7 days, and if the patient is penicillin sensitive, then erythromycin is given. It is given in the dose of 500 mg 6 hourly orally. Thank you.